Learning objective. Cultivate client relationships while also setting boundaries and staying top of mind, so you get the most successful outcomes for you and your clients. Once you've landed a client, your job isn't done. You not only have to complete the work, but you also have to interact with, and maintain a professional relationship with, your clients. Setting clear boundaries around expectations and availability is essential. Understand the nature of your role, ask the clients about their expectations for the role and whether it is project-based, seasonal, or ongoing. Include your terms in your correspondence and estimate, and stick to them. Make clear the hours it will take to complete the project, the deadline, the actual date and time of day, what the project includes, and the deliverables they will receive, and put it in writing. If it appears you will go over the allotted hours due to client changes and additional tasks, let them know as soon as possible and make them aware of the additional charges. If you go over hours due to your incorrect estimation or difficulty completing the tasks, you will have to eat the hours and reduction in income. You should never miss a deadline. Punctuality is essential to a good reputation. But if it looks like you are going to be late with the deliverables, let your client know as soon as possible. It will be an uncomfortable conversation, but you need to give them time to make any adjustments or put out fires on their end. You can't be available to your clients 24/7. You need to take holidays and you need to set your office hours. Let clients know when you are available and your preferred method of communication. If they WhatsApp you a voice note at 9 p.m. and you close at 6 p.m., don't listen until office hours resume. And be sure to schedule vacation time and go offline. This is almost a guarantee that clients will contact you. It is freelancer's law. But resist the pull to work on your vacation and stick to your boundaries. You can't perform at your highest level if you are burned out. If you experience any client issues or challenges, refer to your written agreement. Don't send it to the client, that is too aggressive. Leave it to them to scour through your correspondence to try to prove that they are right, only to find out they were wrong. If they are late with a payment, resend your invoice with a friendly reminder. If timely payment seems to be an ongoing issue with a particular client, request payment upfront for your next assignment and don't start work until you receive it. Depending on the nature of your assignments, there may be long spells between jobs. Don't wait for them to contact you. Stay in touch and nurture relationships with your existing, but currently inactive, clients. Consider these keeping in touch strategies. Newsletter. Send out a brief client newsletter that updates them on completed jobs and your new skills or offerings. Many clients may have hired you to do X and have no idea you can do Y. Showcase impressive brands you have worked with to increase your credibility. Provide valuable industry-related information so they start to see you as a trusted resource. Holiday greetings. Send out a brief, non-denominational holiday greetings with a great graphic or image that showcases what you do in a fun, subtle way. Birthday. If you can find out a client's birthday, send them a card. You can often find that information on their social media profile. Action steps. Set your boundaries, your non-negotiables. Answer these questions in your action guide. Is there any type of company you won't work for because they oppose your brand values and personal values? What are your office hours? Plan out your holidays in advance, and notify your clients at least 4 to 6 weeks in advance. Brainstorm your keeping in touch strategies, making notes in your action guide that you can refer to in the future. You probably don't have to worry about keeping in touch for the first 3 to 6 months.